Lamborghini Huracan. So we've had this in with us today, most of the day to be honest. We've done a number of upgrades on this particular version of the Lamborghini. Firstly, we've done a full security package with the Auto Watch Ghost 2 Pro. So now this has got extra security, which is always a good thing. And secondly and mainly, the sort of showstopper is adding Apple CarPlay into this vehicle, which actually displays through the cluster because it doesn't have a physical main screen like a lot of other cars. So this is now available with us. There have been different variants, I think, of this type of upgrade, but we've taken a bit longer to get this kit out because we've just perfected it a little bit better now. So it integrates better with the original system. It's a lot smoother in terms of the action through the actual apps and the display, which I'll show you in a minute, as well as obviously just phone connectivity is a lot more stable. So yes, so let me just show you what we've done. So obviously this will be familiar if you have one of these vehicles. So this is obviously the main cluster here. So now we just hold down the nav button and then that will come in, and then basically you are now going to be changing the settings and everything via your jog dial. Obviously going through, you can obviously then select in terms of there. You utilize the back button on the actual display as well. So yes, very quick, very slick in terms of the sort of action within the apps itself. So yes, if you've got obviously Lamborghini Huracan and you'd like to just obviously just update it just to give it the most final and up-to-date option that you can with Apple CarPlay, then please give us a call here at TTW Installations. We'll be very happy to add this to your Lamborghini Huracan. If you do have a reversing camera as well, this fully integrates into that, so there's no need to worry about that. But yes, just give us a call. We'll be very happy to upgrade your vehicle with the latest generation Apple CarPlay.